Hello there, my name is Jen Stirrup. Today is the 25th of September 2018. I've just been at Microsoft Ignite and it's been the day one. I've had quite a day being a community reporter. I've had a fantastic time. So I thought I'd give this vlogging, video logging, whatever they call it, young people nowadays, give that a try and see what people think. I think I wanted to talk about what was most exciting, really, about the whole Microsoft news today. And I think the thing that's most exciting for me is the fact that SQL Server 2019 is going to allow organisations to really marry their big data solutions with SQL Server, the relational database. So how is it going to do that? It seems that SQL Server is going to grow up to be a big data platform as well. And the reason it's going to do that is it's going to have integration through HDFS, which is the Hadoop distributed file system, and it's also going to have Apache Spark in there as well. And the reason I love this is I think it really will break down the silos that we see in organisations. When we start to look at business intelligence systems, we normally see that departments have very siloed data sources, and those can be further siloed by the use of the technology. But Microsoft are also allowing you to actually query against other sources as well through use SQL Server and ODBC, and use technology as other technology as a source, and that can be Oracle, for example. And that really starts to break down those vertical silos that we see in many organisations. So I think that's why I love it. It's very hard for organisations to answer business questions such as, tell me how 5% increase in sales is going to affect my whole organisation. But they're very good at telling you how that works in individual departments. So I think this will allow organisations to take a horizontal view of data across their business. So how is SQL Server going to do this? It looks like Microsoft have really done a lot of work in the database engine. They're going to have nodes in play which can run as SQL compute nodes, SQL storage nodes, or HDFS data nodes. So this really means that SQL Server and Apache Spark can run co-located, they can run in the same container, and that's enabled by Kubernetes. So it's great that we start to see the container technology start to move into the data world as well. So I think there's so much happening and so much news really about what Microsoft are doing, but I think I can see a real business need for this new move that Microsoft are making, and allowing organisations to not be so dependent on the technology that they are storing their data, but think more about the analytics that they can do on their data, and not be confined to the analytics being based on whatever technology the data happens to be stored in. And for me, that's really what's so exciting about it. I think it's a great time to be in the world of data, and I think Microsoft have done a really smart move with the changes that we see in SQL Server that have been announced today. So if you want to know more, please get in touch. I'll try and answer your questions. My website is datarelish.com and I blog at jenstirrup.com. And thanks again for your time.